Hey everyone, this is a quick video on how to download Firefox. So to get started, open up any web browser and go to google.com and type in Firefox. Press enter. And we want to go to mozilla.org because Mozilla is the developer of Firefox. So make sure you see mozilla.org and select download Firefox browser. Once you're on Mozilla's website, there's a few options that you can see here. In the top right, there is the download Firefox option. This is on their main page. If we go back, this is the page we originally entered, and we can select download Firefox here as well. Now, it doesn't matter which one you select as long as you are on mozilla.org. That's the most important part. Make sure you're on mozilla.org and not any other website because you're not actually downloading Firefox. You're downloading a different browser, probably with viruses. So make sure it's mozilla.org and then select download Firefox. Wait a second, and then an installer is going to pop up in the bottom left. Go ahead and select that when you've downloaded the installer. Select yes on the pop-up, and now it's going to be installing. Wait for it to install, and you will have Firefox. Now, I don't know what's going to happen next. This is my first time downloading Firefox myself. Sometimes there's configurations, but it looks like we don't need to do anything. So once you download the installer, it's going to do the rest for you. And now we have Firefox. And that's how you download Firefox. I hope you enjoyed this quick video. If you did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you all in future quick videos.